this video, we will cover Music on Hold. Whenever the office manager logs into the portal, when they click on the Music on Hold tab, they will see this screen. From here, you can manage the music on hold for your system. By default, our system comes with a predefined music on hold. So even if you don't add a music file to your system, the system comes with a predefined one. From this page, you can always add your own sound file by browsing in your computer. Simply select the sound file and open it. Since now, this file will be your music on hold for the entire system. As you can see here, it will say domain, so this is going to be my music on hold for the entire way. That's the way to add a music hold file to your system. The other option we have here, let's see, on Settings button. On Settings, you can disable or enable your sound file, or you can also randomize it. That means that you can always have more than one music on hold file. So if you select this option, the system will run randomly. It selects one of the files and plays the sound file. The other option we have is the introductory greeting. This is what you will hear before your musical file. You can upload it from your computer, or you can also record it from any of the extensions by sending a call to one of those extensions. As you clicked on the call, you can type the extension number here, click on Call, and then the system generates a call to that extension. From here, you can start recording your greeting message. The general music on hold, whatever you place here, will be used for the entire domain. Music on hold always takes priority on every specific user on the system or default musical files. Let's say I want to add a personalized music on hold for user 1000, which is one of the extensions I have in my system. As you can see, 1000 has its own music on hold sound file. If I call this company, and I connect a call to extension 1000, this sound file will have priority on the music on hold sound file for the entire domain. As you can see, in this case from these two users, 1000 has music on hold in English, and 1001 has it in Spanish. You can always change the settings the same way you do with the other sound files. And adding the introductory greeting before connecting the call. Remember, this will be the message you will listen to before the selected music on hold sound file on your system. So, as easy as it looks, that's all you need to know about music on hold. Thanks for watching.